Hello and welcome everyone to Yetri Ekle videos. My name is Yatri, which means traveler, and Ekle means alone. This channel is all about my solo adventures, exploring beautiful places, meeting amazing people, and discovering the stories that make each journey unique. I believe that traveling alone doesn't mean you're lonely. It's a path to self-discovery and freedom. I'm so excited to share my experiences with you, from breathtaking landscapes to the hidden gems I find along the way. If you love travel, adventure, and stepping out of your comfort zone, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment below to let me know where you'd like to see me go next. Let's start this journey together. Everyone! And a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support you've shown for the Yatri Ekle series. Seeing your comments, likes, and shares truly means the world to me. It's your encouragement that fuels these journeys and keeps me going. Exploring new paths and sharing these stories with you. Every single view makes a difference, and I'm so grateful to have you all as part of this amazing community. If you've been enjoying the adventures and want to see where we're headed next, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. That way, you won't miss a single step of the journey. Thanks again for being here, and I can't wait to share the next chapter with you all. See you on the trail.